Hello student, in this video I will solve this question number 4 problems. Find the measure of the angles AB in the following figure. In figure A, my unknown quantity is A. We have to find this unknown quantity, unknown angle A. In second figure, you have to find angle A and angle B. These two unknown angles. In figure C, we also find unknown angle A and unknown angle B. In figure 4, we also find unknown angle A and unknown angle B. In fifth figure, we also find unknown angle A and unknown angle B. So I draw my first figure in a copy. See, here in this figure, all the angles are interior of this figure. See, all the angles are interior of this figure. We have to find this unknown angle A. At first you see this, what is this figure? This figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This figure has 5 sides. That means it is a pentagon. So, after naming this, we have to find this unknown angle A. For finding this unknown angle A, we know sum of all the angles of pentagon is what? Sum of interior angles of pentagon. So, by number of side, we find the sum of the interior angles of pentagon. Now, see, since the given figure has 5 sides, that is n equal to 5. So, it is a pentagon. So, it is a pentagon. Therefore, sum of interior angles of, therefore sum of interior angles of pentagon equal to, by number of side we find sum of the interior angles of any pentagon by this formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here n equal to 5. So I put the value of n here, n minus 2 into 180 degree. 3 into 180 degree. 3 into 180 means 540. So here I find sum of the interior angles of pentagon. That means sum of the interior angles of pentagon is 540 degree. Now by this value we find the value of unknown quantity A. Now sum of interior angles of pentagon equal to 540. Therefore, here all the sum of all the interior angles, that means A plus second value is 120 degree plus 105 degree. Here third angle is 105, fourth angle is 95 degree. We write 95 degree plus fifth angle is 115. 115 equal to what? 540. Implies A plus, now we add these numbers. By adding this number we get 435 degree equal to 540 degree. Implies A equal to 540 degree minus 435 degree equal to 540 minus 350 equal to 105 degree. Here we find the value of angle A. So we write here conclusion. Hence A equal to 105 degree. Now our next question is question number B. Question number 2. Now see, question number 2 is this. I already draw this figure in a copy. Now see, here we find two unknown quantities, that means A and B. This figure also has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by same process we find all the sum of all the angles of pentagon. Now since the given figure has 5 sides, that is n equal to 5. That is n equal to 5. So it is a pentagon. So it is a pentagon. Therefore, sum of interior angles of pentagon equal to, by earlier formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. That means n minus 2, n means 5, 5 minus 2 equal into 180 degree, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 into 180 degree equal to 540 degree. Now see, here we find sum of the interior angles of pentagon. Now see, the given figure, all the sides of pentagon are equal. That means all the angles of pentagon are equal. This is a regular pentagon. Since all the sides of pentagon are equal, that means it is a regular pentagon. In a regular pentagon, all the sides as well as all the angles of pentagon are equal. So here one angles are given, that means this angle A, this also A, this also A, this also A, this also A. This means all the angles of pentagon, the value of all the angles of pentagon is A for this figure. Therefore, that means this also A, this also A, this also A, this also A, this also A. That here has 5 angle. So A plus A plus A plus A plus A. This is 5 angles. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to 540 degree. Implies 5A equal to 540 implies A equal to 540 degree by 5. The value of A equal to 540 by 5 equal to 108 degree. That means the value of A is 108 degree. Now we find the angle B. How we find angle B? This is a straight line and this is the transversal. That means the value of this angle is 180 degree. Here angle of this is 105 degree. By this, by linear pair property, we have to find the angle B now. Therefore, by linear pair property, B equal to what? 180 degree minus the value of this angle is 105 because all the angles are here equal. So this value angle A is 108. That means this angle also 108, this angle also 108. That means 180 minus 108. Then we get angle B. 180 minus 108 means 72 degree. Hence, what we get A? For A value is 108 degree and B equal to 72 degree. So, in this video, I complete 1 and 2. The next video I show 3, 4.